What's the meaning of blackout? Blackout. Blackout.
Blackout. Blackout. Blackout refers to a period of time when there is a complete loss of electricity in a particular area, resulting in total darkness. This can be caused by various factors such as natural disasters, power grid failures, or deliberate actions such as sabotage. During a blackout, all electrical appliances, lighting systems, and communication lines are shut down, leading to disruptions in daily activities and potentially dangerous situations. Such incidents often require immediate and effective responses from emergency services and can result in significant economic and social costs. As such, efforts are continuously made to prevent blackouts and ensure reliable and efficient energy supply.